What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I edit my thumbnails, and all the apps I'm going to use for this video are free. You don't have to pay a dime for them. So if you are interested in knowing how I edit thumbnails, then keep on watching. The first thing I do is to open my PixArt. Then I just go straight to importing my picture into PixArt. Now this is the background I like to use for my pictures, so you can just get any normal background you like and then blur it out using the effects tab on PixArt. If I want to blur this image more, I just tap on blur and it will blur out the image more, but I already blurred this image out because I used it for my previous video, and I'm going to go ahead and import my pictures. Now this is the picture I want to use for this video, so you can cut out your picture using the cutout tool in PixArt, or you can use the eraser app to erase your background and then import the picture like this. So I'm going to place this picture right here and try to make it fit into the screen. Yeah, I think this is okay. Then this is what it looks like when I press apply. So the next thing I'm going to do is to type in my text. Now this is the thumbnail I'm going to use for this video, so I'm going to type in how I edit my thumbnails. Yeah, so now I'm going to look for a way to place this thumbnail. So now I'm going to try to change my font. I like using the vertical bold, or you can actually look for another font or try to download your own font, whichever one you like. But I'm going to go ahead. Okay, I like this one. I love this one, so I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to change the color as well. Stroke, I love using black, so I'm going to make the black more visible. Yeah, I think I love it this way. And if you want to edit this more, I'm going to go to spacing and try to space out my characters a little bit, and that's it. Yes, I think I like it this way. So now the next thing you want to do is to add any other thing you feel like adding to this thumbnail. Now I'm going to add another picture. If you go through my thumbnails, you will notice that I like having a touch of red, so I'm going to add this picture right here, and I think this size is okay for me. I like this thumbnail like this, so I'm going to go ahead and go to brushes and then try to add a little bit of sparkles and anything that will make it look nice. So I don't know why, I just like adding all this to my thumbnails. It looks so cute. Then the next thing I normally do is going to Canva. And when you go to Canva, I just type YouTube thumbnail. Now I will go with the blank one and tap on the background and change it to black. So this is optional. This is very optional. You don't have to do this, but I just like adding it to my thumbnails. I'm going to click and import the thumbnail I already edited. This is how I want it to be, so I'm going to go ahead and save it right now. save as image, and that's it, guys. I'm going to show you guys what the final picture looks like. This is it. This is what the thumbnail looks like. So let me know if you guys like this thumbnail in the comment section. Would you click on this thumbnail? Okay, obviously if you're watching this video right now, that means you clicked on this thumbnail. So let me know how you guys like it. Do you like it or not? Rate this thumbnail over 10 and tell me what you guys think about it. This is like a very basic beginner friendly thumbnail tutorial. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I enjoyed making this video. If you want to see more videos like this, then let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.